Fine, we have created some basic Google Forms. Now, how to open that form and do the editing part? That's what we are going to learn today. To do that one, you simply have to go to the address bar and type what we typed earlier as well, google.com/forms. There you go, and you click that one and see what is getting in front of you. Now you have the entire forms what you have created, and the form which you created last will be in the first place. That is the enrollment form for class 1, didn't it? Now you can change this view as well, like there is a grid view. Okay, when you put that one to the grid view, your first form is more visible because as we have created. Now that is the important thing that you want to understand from this lesson for your editing part. Just click that, and then after that your form is coming in front of you. Whenever you want to edit once again this form or whatever the form you have created, you remember that something I am missing from some areas, you can once again come and edit this form. For example, you feel like that you want to do something in this telephone number. For example, you want to put mobile number instead of telephone number, so people are confused. For that reason, you are inserting mobile number instead of telephone number. That's done. You are done. That means you don't have to save also. It is automatically getting saved when you are clicking that. Lovely. So you change the mobile number and we are looking that particular form what we created now. It's mobile number. Lovely, isn't it? So whenever you want to come back once again I'm telling you, go to the browser. Always remember exactly you have to type that address, docs google.com/forms, and there you go, your form will come in front of you. Or else you can see there is enrollment form, class 1 is there. It will go straightly to that form. That is another way that you can open your form straightly, so you can do the editing part. Now we learn how to once again come into the form what we have created and do the editing. Lovely, isn't it? Okay, that's all for now, and we will see what are the things that we have to learn after this. Bye bye, and take care of yourself, please.